Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 22. We have finished electrical going in and these decorative fixtures are so fantastic. I'm excited to share them with you. I'm standing here in the master bedroom. We're looking at this master bathroom vanity and we're hanging 3 different pendant lights with glass globes that are cool shapes over the center of this vanity. So I gotta show you. Here we are, we have our 3 glass pendants. They've got a really cool shape to them and you'll catch some of the details in the ribbing that's around that glass globe and these glass globes back here also. They're going to be so awesome. So we have marked with tape on the counter how far above the floor to hang these fixtures, and they're going to fill the space up here for us and brighten up this room and cast such beautiful light. I'm super pleased with how this is going to turn out. I can't wait to see it done. We're here in the kitchen. We've got 4 pendants to hang over the islands. There's our fantastic electrician with Dragonfly Electric out here helping us knock this one out of the park. So we've got 4 glass pendants in here also. They're going to hang at a little bit of different heights, but these are on down rods, so you have to be really specific with where they will land in the process of being hung. Look at how big these guys are. That nice clear glass is going to shine so beautifully in those shapes, but not take up as much visual space because they are just a little bit transparent. So you can see in comparison to my foot, these are big pendants. We've got our ceiling fan that's going to go up on the ceiling in here. He needs a longer down rod, so I'm not sure that he's going to make it up today. This is our dining room chandelier. It's going to hang in this space, but isn't that a fantastic fixture? Kichler does such a good job at hitting style on point. Just love their fixtures. Love, love, love them. And he's gonna go up there. We had these little sconce lights in the hall, and these ones in the hall just turned out so beautifully. Let's see if this light will come on. There it is. Nice bright light in that space. We're about done with this project. I am so pleased with the progress on it, and getting this finished electrical done will make the space look so beautiful. For Coffee and Construction in Tempe, take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.